So today's video regarding Canon PIXMA TR7620 all-in-one printer. I'll show you how to do the multiple scannings as a single PDF file, and for that we are going to use the automatic document feeder tray. Now place the page here facing upwards. Make sure your printer is connected with the device. For example, I have iPhone and the printer will show up in the app like this. And if you want to know how to connect it, just go to my other videos. You can do it with the Wi-Fi setup or Wi-Fi Direct setup videos. And here we have a scan option. So simply we click on the scan button and click on the scan again and wait for the printer to do the wireless scanning. So the top feeder tray is a good option, as you can place number of pages up to 15 pages at once, and it will scan all of them and then it will transfer them to your device. Here we can see the scan is transferred, so both the pages are here. And if you want, you can save it as a PDF or JPEG. So for example, use as a PDF. So we can save it like save to files, and here we can save it to the Canon print file here, and click on the save button on the top of the screen and go back. And if you want, you can access it anytime. For example, click on the document print, click on documents, and you will see the recent file will be this is the recent file we have sent there. Now you can share it again if you want. Thanks for watching.